Hello, everyone. It's about 7:30 a.m. January the 7th, 2019, and this is Delray, VAweather.com. I want to do a short video. I'm going to try and just embed it in a Twitter post to show you. I'm looking at the GFS 06Z through BuffKit. It's the set to Reagan National Airport. And I know I tweeted out something about the critical thickness not being very good for a all snow event this weekend. But I'm looking through BuffKit. Actually, it looks much better than the critical thickness. And I want to show you this. Again, down here you'll see a blue dot. That means snow. And what we have this is at about 2 p.m. on Saturday, January 12th. And if you look at these lines, you notice this red line at the ground level says it's at freezing at 2 p.m. on Saturday, and we have a really nice close fit between the dew point and the temperature, which indicates precipitation, a deep layer of precipitation at that time. And if we advance this a little bit, you'll see that not only does it stay as a thick layer of precipitation here, it actually ends up with a greater band of snow here. This is probably above 15,000 feet. We'll continue to advance this. And again, we have this band at 15,000 feet of snow all the way down near the surface. It is showing a little bit of a discrepancy here, but this is actually pretty good discrepancy, because what this will do is if we get any substantial snowfall rate at 8 p.m. on Saturday, what's going to happen is you're going to get evaporative cooling at the surface here. So it's going to drive the surface temperature down more and will support more snow accumulation. I'm going to advance this to 11 p.m. Again, it's showing a nice deep layer of precipitation, and the band where the snow is forming actually gets bigger. And we go a little further here. At 2 a.m. Sunday morning, we actually have a moderate rate of snowfall. And if you look again, this is the critical line. This is the freezing line. As long as we have temperatures going up to higher altitudes that are at or below freezing, that will support an all snow event. And if we go one more here, so we got about 2 hours of moderate snow rate till 5 a.m. Actually, from about 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. More than 2 hours. And if we advance this a little bit, by 8 a.m., if you notice that these lines, the relative humidity are actually dew point and temperature now are above freezing at this higher altitude, probably from about 2,000 feet to about 8,000 feet. And that will, any snow that falls down to 8,000 feet is going to be melted. And you have this little hook that shows that it goes below freezing, and then the surface temperature is slightly above freezing. That, while this is showing a moderate rain rate, that actually could be a sleet. It's possible that this could actually be sleet, and we've advanced this a little more. At certainly by 11 a.m. we have an all rain event from that point on, and then it ends as rain sometime around 5 p.m. Sunday. However, it looks like up through early, certainly 5 a.m. Sunday, we're going to get substantial accumulation of snow. And I don't see anything in the sounding that suggests that we're going to have any sort of a warm layer higher in the atmosphere. until after 5 a.m. Actually, until 8 a.m., we're not going to have any warm layer above us. So, this is just one model run, looking through BuffKit. And so, we still have to keep an eye on this. But this actually, for the snow lovers, this is actually a pretty good sign. I'm going to show you the overview briefly, and this is the overview. This is the Saturday Sunday area here. I have this set to Cobb 5, which is my favorite for calculating snow ratio. And if you look here, we have, let me move this time measurement. Okay, this is showing about 2 a.m. Sunday, we get the high snow rate. And the reason why there's quite a bit of accumulation here is because the snow ratio is going to be above 20 at that point. And then it's going to drop dramatically. So over here, it goes, back to rain. So we definitely need to watch this system. It's looking a little better than what I saw in the critical thickness levels about an hour ago. But definitely it'd be interesting to see what happens in the noon model runs, and I'll keep you posted as we get closer to the weekend. Thanks a lot.